In today's video, guys, I have prepared to you some different websites that you can go over there and work. Not only one, but four different ones. And all of them are worldwide available, which means that you don't have to worry and think about where you're living right now and if it is available in your country because all of them are available. And the best part is that they are going to make you earn some really great extra money. Now, you don't have to give up from your full-time job because this will only take you like 1 hour or even less per day and still make you earn some extra money that you can spend them as you wish for. Now, guys, I'm going to let you know that you can use for this your computer, but also your tablet or mobile device or whatever else that you might have because it works perfectly in all of them. So, what you will have to do now is just listen carefully to every explanation that I'm going to give. So, in the end, you'll be capable of doing this by yourself and earn some extra money. Now, before I jump into those details, first, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on the notification bell so in this way you will never lose any of the new updates from me. Now, guys, as I told you, I'm going to show you four different websites that you can jump over to and work with them and get paid some extra money, really good money, really easily. And I'm going to show you how you can do them. Now, all of these four websites have the same function. So they are web tester and they're going to give you the possibility to work with them and become a website tester and get paid. Now, if you're thinking to yourself that you need any specific knowledge or experience, not at all. It's really simple and I'm going to show you. So the first site that we need to jump over to is called userfield.com. So this is the first site that it's going to pay us just for working as a web tester. Now, let me explain a little bit what is a web tester. So let's say that a person has just created a website, but they want to test it before they publish it and launch it for everyone, right? Because they want to have a general idea if it is working good or it has any problems. So what you will have to do is open it through your mobile device, or you can open it too with your desktop and check it out, all of the features that they have put it. You can also check out the size of the test, the colors, the effects that they make. For example, it changes colors when you put the mouse over at this button, and you might say that I don't like the color that it shows up, or I don't like this effect of sliding all of this, or you might say you don't like the frames that they have decided to choose and everything else. So you can just express every opinion, speak out loud whatever you think when you check out a website and tell them your personal opinion about it. Now, guys, for this you are going to earn from $3 to $30 per test. Each test lasts 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. You can read all of the instructions over here. What do usability testers do? And you are going to see that you are just going to test websites, apps, or prototypes. You are just going to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks like finding a product in an online store. Let's say that you are testing Amazon. So you are just going to see if it works perfectly, if you can shop, if you can put the things on your shopping stuff or everything else that they might have as an option. So you just have to try out all of their options if it works perfectly or if it has any difficulty. And you are just going to express your opinion. And for this, you are just going to get paid from $3 to $30 per test because, of course, it depends how long it will take you. So, guys, to become part of this, become a tester, you just have to scroll down a little bit, and here you are going to find become a tester. Be careful not to create user tests, but become a tester. And here you are going to put first name, last name, email address, confirm email address. Choose your country, and as I told you, it's worldwide available. Choose your year of birth, state, time zone, and many other information that I might need. And here you also have the devices available that you can choose. Now, guys, we finished up with the first website. Let's go over to the second one, which is called Experience the Smiles usertesting.com. Even here, you are going to get paid to test too. So as I told you, they do the same function. So here you are going to check out that you are going to become a contributor, but of course not for free, but you are going to get paid for that. A user testing contributor, sometimes referred to as, of course, website testers, is just going to complete tasks on a website, app, or prototype, and you are just going to speak them out loud. Now, for these guys, you have to express your opinion by speaking. So, it's not the same as writing down, but you just have to speak while you're watching the website with a screen record, just like I'm doing right now. So, let's say I'm testing this website. So let's check out if the buttons over here works perfectly or they work really good. Let's see these dots over here. So this is how I'm going to test, and this is how you're going to do it too. And you're going to post it, and they're going to see if it is good or not, and then you're going to earn your money. Now you can check out the other frequently asked questions and see how much you are going to get paid. And as you can see, it depends. So it ranges because the payment, it depends on how much it will take you, how good it's going to be, but you are going to receive your money as soon as you finish up doing your first test and see how much they paid you. So guys, you can check out other information over here. So to become part of this, you just have to register and create an account by joining them with an email. Now let's go over to the third one, which is called User Brain. So even here, you are going to be a tester too. So guys, you are going to do some tasks, select testers, watch videos, and things like this. So basically, you are going to get more information on this userbrain.com help, and you are going to check out how it works. So first, you need to sign up and download Userbrain Record for Google Chrome or Userbrain Record for iOS to start testing websites. So you have to speak out loud your thoughts while you're watching the website with a screen record. Speak your thoughts while going through a set of tasks for 5, so the minimum is 5 minutes to 20 minutes. Receive new tests and get paid $5 per test via PayPal. Now, $5 is probably the minimum that they have, so it's a lot when you think that you only have to do this 20 minutes per day. How much you will get? $5 per each test. So guys, this was also the other one. You can also check out how you're going to receive your money, which is through PayPal, which is, I know, your favorite by now. So the last but not least is called Userlytics.com, and even here you are going to do the same job. So you are going to be a tester even here. So just go over to Get Paid to Test, and you can check out the 3 easy steps to start earning. So first of all, you need to sign in and create your account. Once you receive a study invitation, your task is simple. Just perform a few simple activities while communicating your thoughts out loud. So even here, you will need a microphone. And if you're wondering where you can find a microphone, well, you can go over to Amazon and order one because they have some really good prices. Once your test has been uploaded successfully and it is approved by their team, you will earn $5 to $90 depending on the test. So just click Start Testing Now and you can create your account immediately. By putting your email, prove that you are 60 years older, agree to the terms of use, and submit. So this is how you're going to do this job, and this is available to use it on computer or mobile phone too. Or you can download it to your mobile device and start it to use and earn money. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.